Here are the top 5 book recommendations for personal trainers. Number 1. Becoming a Supple Leopard by Kelly Starrett. This book provides valuable information on mobility and movement mechanics, helping you understand the importance of proper form and injury prevention during training sessions. Number 2. Essentials of Strength Training and Conditioning by the National Strength and Conditioning Association. This textbook is a must have for personal trainers. It covers all aspects of strength training and conditioning, including exercise physiology, biomechanics, and program designing. It is often used as reference for NSCA CPT certification. Number 3. Strength Training Anatomy by Frederic Delavier. This book offers a comprehensive visual guide to strength training exercises, highlighting the muscles involved and providing anatomical insights. It's a great resource for designing effective workout programs. Number 4. Starting Strength Basic Barbell Training is a highly regarded book written by Mark Rippetoe, a renowned strength coach and author. This book is a comprehensive guide to strength training using barbells, particularly for beginners or those looking to refine their technique. Number 5. Rebuilding Milow by Dr. Aaron Horshey is a highly regarded within the strength training community, serving as a value resource for lifters who want to rehabilitate injuries, prevent further setback, and achieve their strength and fitness goals.